2. Be available. Hi and welcome to our video on understanding blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. It allows for a secure and transparent way to track and verify transactions without the need for a central authority. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology is in the creation of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. However, the potential uses of blockchain go far beyond just digital currencies. It can be used in a variety of industries, including finance, supply chain management, and even voting systems. So, how does it work? At its core, a blockchain is made up of blocks of data that are linked and secured using cryptographic principles. Each block contains a record of multiple transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This creates a permanent and unchangeable record of all the transactions that have taken place on the network. In addition to being secure and transparent, blockchain technology is also decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by a single entity or organization. Instead, it relies on a network of computers, also known as nodes, to validate and record transactions. This decentralized structure makes it resistant to fraud and tampering, as any changes to the data would have to be made simultaneously on all the nodes in the network. In summary, blockchain technology offers a secure and transparent way to track and verify transactions without the need for a central authority. Its potential uses are vast and varied, and it has the potential to revolutionize industries across the globe. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions about blockchain technology, feel free